Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to control your PC from your phone. So let's get started. So the first step you'll need to do is to go to your App Store or Play Store and now download the application Remote Desktop over here, and now open the application. And on the top right hand side you'll see a plus icon. Click on it. Now click on Add PC. Now to make sure that you're able to control your PC from your phone, you need to enable Remote Desktop settings on your PC. You can easily do that by looking at any tutorial. Now after you enable the setting, you'll see the IP address over there. You will also get a password over there, and also what you need to do is to name your PC. Now over here at the top under PC name, enter the name of your PC over here. You can also enter the IP address over here. Now click on save on the top right hand side. Now to connect this PC to your phone, click on the IP address over here. Now to connect it, make sure to enter the username over here and also the password, and now just click on continue, and now just check the checkbox that says never ask again and click on connect, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.